Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to track and trace IP addresses using command prompt. You heard right, so let's get started. Go to search bar and type command prompt, spell error, command prompt. On the top, you can see command prompt. Now go to your right and select run as administrator. Select yes option. Now command prompt window will open. First, let's check your own IP addresses. So type ipconfig here, ipconfig. Just check my speller. Now press the enter key. This shows your local IP4 addresses, which is your device internal IP. But if you want to see your public IP, use nslookup. You have to type nslookup. Just check my code. nslookup my IP dot open dns.com space resolve 1 dot opendns.com. Just check it out, which are code out. Now press the enter. This will show the IP or ISP as assigned to you. And now let's check if a specific IP or website reachable using the ping command. Okay. Now type I ping, type ping google.com and press the enter key. Uh, if you get replies, the site is online. If not, there might be network issue or the site is blocking pings. So it's running. Now you can see PK request could not find host to google.com. Please check the name and try again. Now my internet issue has a it's not working right now. So I will again try tracert google.com. Google.com and press the enter key. Now this will resolve my issue and this reveals the IP address of the domain. You can use the online tools like ipinfo.io to find its location. And that's it guys. I hope you can now track and trace IP address using command prompt. If this video helped you, smash the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for